Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am, because the villager wants to help. And the declutter may know who are they looking for. And then, this is the story. After that, at the end, when they met the declutter, no, ma'am, I'm just, yun. And then, when they meet the declutter, then, they found out that the declutter is the husband of the wife. But the villager didn't know about that. Yes, ma'am. How can you tell them that the declutter will be able to tell you? It's always going to be yes, ma'am, because and surprisingly, when the wife of the declutter, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what I really will help you, ma'am.
Erwin.